Opening your ChatGPT account to find it's been permanently banned is a situation you want to avoid. So I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the settings and usage habits that keep your access secure. The important thing is to understand that OpenAI uses automated filters to flag activity that looks like abuse or automation. To stay safe, you need to be careful with how you phrase your prompts and how you access the platform. The first step is checking your content habits. If you are using jailbreak prompts to bypass safety filters, you are putting your account at high risk. You should go into your chat history and delete any conversations that contain restricted material like hate speech or extreme violence. Now, that goes both ways. While the AI won't generate that content easily, repeatedly trying to force it to do so flags your account for a manual review. In my case, I always ensure my prompts stay within professional or creative boundaries to avoid the automated ban hammer. Next, you need to look at how you are accessing the service. Scroll down to your account settings and check your login activity if you are on a browser. If you are using a VPN, you should toggle that off when using ChatGPT. Frequent IP changes from different countries make it look like your account has been compromised or that you are sharing your login with people in unsupported regions. The trade-off is that while a VPN protects your privacy elsewhere, using it here can lead to an instant security lock because it mimics the behavior of a botnet. If you use any browser extensions that scrape data or automate your typing, you should back out of those immediately. OpenAI's systems can detect when a human isn't the one sending the messages. High-frequency queries sent in rapid succession will get you flagged as a bot. Finally, ensure your payment method is legitimate. Using virtual or stolen credit cards for a Plus subscription is the fastest way to get a permanent ban. Ensure your billing address matches your actual location to keep the automated billing system happy. By following these steps and staying within the terms of service, you keep your account in good standing. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.